In this video, I will show you how to add subtitle. Drag the clip on the time frame. A pop-up window will appear. Just select the Change Sequence settings. And then go to Text and go to Captions. Select New Caption Track. And select OK here. A subtitle sequence was added here. Go here and select New Caption Segment. And it will already reflect on the clip. You can now type manually the caption.
Whoa! Don't worry, Mr. Krusty! We'll defeat this panicking pie machine!
And that's it. For more videos like this, hit the subscribe button and click the notification bell so that you get notified for our new uploaded videos. See you next time!